welcome back to my channel. Today I am looking like half crazy right now. Yes, I am wearing a sari with this crazy ass hairband, but today I'm going to film a easy peasy festive kind of look because we all know that festive is just around the corner, and I don't know how much we can celebrate this year, but definitely I will get ready and make myself presentable. So if you just want to know what I create and how I create, then keep watching. So I've already prepped my face with some moisturizer. Now I'm just going to prime my face, and for that I am using this Nykaa skin primer. This is for oily skin. You guys know I have oily skin. To be honest, this primer doesn't really do anything for me, but just because I bought it with my hard-earned money, so I am just going to try to work it out, so I'm just applying it on my face. And next, moving on to my foundation, and I am today going to use this NYX Total Control Draw foundation. Guys, I don't know why I actually stopped using it, and that day I was just going through my drawer and I found it again, and I'm so glad that I did because I absolutely love this foundation. It is so full coverage and yet so light on face. I just can't rave enough about it. Shade it tad bit lighter for my actual skin tone, but don't you worry guys, I am going to work it out. However, I just forgot to conceal my mouth area, around my mouth I have little bit of darkness, so I am going in with this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick in the shade 04. This is actually tad bit darker for my skin tone, which I absolutely love to conceal my dark circles. So don't worry, I am going to layer it up on top of the foundation, and then again I will go back with the Total Control Draw foundation. Don't worry that it is not going to cake up because I am using very little amount of each and every product. Next, I'm going to highlight my face with some concealer, and for that I am using this Pack Take Cover concealer. I am in the shade I think 02. Don't worry, I am going to mention everything in the description box as I always do. I'm just blending it with my YBP Makeup Perfector. Next, moving on to the blush, and for that I am using this NYX Powder Puff Lippy. Actually I got these bunch of these in my PR from NYX, but I never really liked them as my lipsticks, but I always use them as my blush because of the consistency, and especially because of the applicator. They work beautifully as blush. So here I am just doing it and just blending it with my fingers. Next, I'm going to contour and highlight my face. Not actually highlight, contour and bronze my face at the same time. So here I am taking this NYX contour and bronzing palette. I'm not really sure about the exact name. For that you have to check my description box as I have already mentioned. And just going in with this angular brush from Pack and just applying it on my jawbones, just below the jawbones, and also I'm just going to contour my nose slightly with this powder contour. After contouring my face, I felt that I needed a little bit of colors on my cheek, and for that I am using this James Charles palette and just going to mix these two eyeshadows and put it on my cheeks. I actually forgot to sit down with a blush palette, and I'm just working here whatever I have in front of me. You can totally work with your eyeshadow palettes as your blusher, so don't worry. Next, I'm going to set my face very lightly with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm not really going heavy handed with my powder because all the products I have used are pretty much matte. Brows, I am going to use this two brow pencil. Actually, one is from NYX and one is from Rimmel. The next one has a slightly darker tone, this is exact match for my brow bone. However, the Rimmel one has little bit of lighter shade, and I'm going to use both of them because it is just going to make my brows appear very fluffy and soft. I don't really like those stark Instagrammy brows, but that's totally up to you guys. Do whatever you want to and whatever makes you happy. Now moving on to the eyes, I am just going to prep it with a little bit of my LA Girl Pro concealer. You can prime them with any concealer of your choice. Even you can go with a dedicated eyeshadow primer too. Here I'm just blending it with that same YBP Makeup Perfector. For my eyes today, I am going to first line it out with this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This one is, I think, in the darkest version. I'm not really sure. This is not the one with that yellow packaging. To be honest, I really like that one way more than this one. This one is really black. However, it does not like really give you a good playtime. It settles too quickly. Next, I'm moving on to my Tati Beauty palette, and today I'm going to work with these two colors. One is Poet and the other one is Soothe. First, I'm just laying down with that same pencil tip brush the shade called Poet. It's a beautiful burgundy pink kind of shade. Really going to be it is going to be very flattering on all the warm skin tones. By the way, I have done a dedicated review video on this Tati Beauty palette, which I will link up here. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying it, like setting that coal line with this burgundy color and also just flicking it out a little bit. And next I am going to diffuse it with the color called Soothe, as I just showed you before, and just going to blow it out a little bit more because I really want that soft yet defined kind of eye makeup look. For my lower lash line, I am going with this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade, I don't really know the shade, but as you can see, this is a dark green shade. And next I am going to just smudge it out a little bit so that it just settles down and don't go anywhere. By the way, this thin pencil tip brush, as you can see, what I'm using here is from PAC. I am going to mention all the brush numbers also. These brushes are really good. I have done the other eye off camera, and also I have slightly dusted some loose pigment from Makeup Revolution, and this pigment is called Money Tree. It's a beautiful duochromatic shade. Next, I'm just going to tightline my lower lash line with the same kohl pencil from Maybelline, which I used at the first step of my eye makeup. Next, I am just going to finish this entire look with some highlighter, of course, and for that I am going in with this NYX Born to Glow highlighting palette. You guys know this is my absolute favorite, and to be honest, right now I don't really have like too many highlighters with me, and I'm just using it on all the high points of my cheeks and where I want that shine. And also I am going to use this on my brow bone and inner corner highlights as well, because Tati palette does not really have a highlighting shade. I am going to prep my eyelashes as well, and for the mascara today I am going in with this K Beauty volumizing mascara, I think it is called. By the way, I am obsessed with this mascara. This mascara is really good, guys. I mean, this is not a waterproof mascara, but the effect it gives and the build up it gives is just amazing. It does not really get cloggy even if you go in with 3 to 4 layers. It really builds up your lashes. Like, so what I have done here is I have already applied my false lashes, and then I'm going in with mascara. After some time I'll just pinch the upper lashes and the false lashes together, and that way it will just get nicely blended. For my lips today, I am going to mix my own color. One is from Spectre Cosmetics. The last video which I have shown all the Indian owned and Indian manufactured makeup brand, I have featured this brand Spectre Cosmetics. If you want to watch that video, I will link it up here. And on the top of that, I am going to use this Rimmel London cream lipstick. All the shades and all the makeup products, guys, will be listed in the description box below. I am mentioning it already like 3-4 times, so don't you miss that. After applying these two colors, I thought I should go in with some gloss, and for my lip gloss today I am using this liquid lip gloss from Kryolan India. Now to finish everything off, I am using this MAC Fix Plus, and with a couple of spritz of this one we will be officially done with this look. I absolutely love this product. It just gives that instant dewy yet very finished look. And for today's look, I am definitely going to throw in some bindi. This is like, I think this is a dark blue one I opted for, but if you want you can like go for any color of bindis. I want to wear some jewelry on my neck also, and this one I got from an Insta seller, which I will be mentioning in my description box as well. So if you just want to check her out, you can. And with that, guys, my look is completed. Now it's time for some beauty shots. you guys enjoyed this video. I really like the way it has turned out. Very simple, quick, yet very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay at home. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.